Hey guys, it's Jill down at Redwater Dodge. Just wanted to show you one of the trucks on our lot. It's a 2026 Ram 1500 Rebel with the Hemi, so let's take it. Here's the hood. Like I said, 5.7 liter Hemi, LED lights, fog lights, tow hooks. It's got DuraTracs from factory, keyless entry on either side of the truck, and it is a crew cab with 5.7 box on it. Backup camera, hitch receiver, wiring, dual exhaust, but let's check out the inside. Inside the truck, full leather seats, so they're heated and cooled. You got a 14.4 inch screen, 10.25 inch passenger screen, dual wireless chargers, trailer brake controller, a whole bunch of plugins, storage all over the place, and then of course a pano sunroof. But let's check out the back seat. In the back seat, it's a crew cab, so you have a whole bunch of room. They are heated seats in the back. You have the buttons for that there, with a whole bunch more plugins as well. Rear vents, nice floor mats from factory, and then this of course flips up on either side for more storage underneath. You have a rear slider, and that's all heated. But if you want to make this truck yours, give us a call, 780-942-3629.